Hello everyone, welcome to our new lesson. In this lesson you will learn how to speak English in a better way in just 10 days. All you need to do is follow this exercise for 10 complete days. By watching this exercise, you are going to improve on your fillers, pauses, intonation, fluency and word stress. Plus, you also get a chance to take free online spoken English classes with me for a whole 1 month. More information on this giveaway at the end of this lesson. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel. So all you need to do is follow these 4 simple steps to speak English in a better way. First, read the passage loudly in the next slide and record it. Second, listen your recorded audio and then listen my audio on the same passage. Third, repeat this exercise for 3, 5 or 7 times depending on your level of understanding. Don't worry, it won't take more than 15 to 20 minutes. After you are clear with how you are speaking and how you actually need to speak, follow the 4th step, that is, record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for next 10 days for better command on your spoken English. If you are unable to understand any of these instructions, leave a comment in the comment below. I will also guide you step by step so that you can easily complete this exercise. So let's begin. Pause the video and read this passage carefully and record it to complete the first steps. Now it's time for my audio.
A simpler time, a time when life didn't move at this frenetic pace, when life meant something, and what you owned was worth less than who you came home to, when people measured their wealth by the number of people in their lives that truly loved them and who they loved in return. When life wasn't about what someone wore or where they lived, when family and friends mattered, and a person's pain meant something other than someone else's entertainment. Technology and social media were supposed to bring us closer together, to help us identify and understand that we are not alone. But somehow it has become twisted, skewed into a show of how many materialistic items one person can accumulate and how much abuse another can take. We watch and wait for them to slip, to fall, as confirmation of their humanity, to make us feel better about our own imperfections as human beings. And in the end, when all is said and done, will it matter? What possessions you owned, what car you drove, how many people pretended to care? Does any of this madness mean anything other than that we once breathed? I don't think it does. I think all that matters is that we were happy and that we were loved. That there were people, not things, surrounding us when times were dark, and that somehow we always managed to find our way back when we were lost.
After listening my audio, listen your audio as well. Do the exercise of listening my audio and after that listening to yours audio for 3, 5 or 7 times, depending on your level of understanding. Now it's time for you to record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for next 10 days to improve your spoken English. Now, coming to giveaway conditions, any 3 students will get free spoken English classes for 1 month. All they have to do is follow some basic conditions. Follow and like all the videos in this series, Speak English in a Better Way. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section of my videos from where any 3 candidates will be picked. Results will be announced on 9th of August. Classes for the students selected will start from August 10th. So, this will be all about our today's lesson. Do let us know if you liked this video in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.